Welcome to the third part of our Abha trip. This is the hotel lobby. Hi Sad. Hi Shweb. You must be wondering, yesterday we spent the night in a camp and what are we doing here? So currently this is afternoon and we are heading to Al Suda. How did we end up in a hotel from our tent? And also, if you may have noticed, we had a white car during our journey, but now we have a grey Elantra. There's also another story behind that. When are we gonna tell them the story, guys? What happened with us?
Suda, inshallah.
In Al Suda. Yeah, once we get there, we'll tell you what happened with us. So stay tuned for that. It's really hot inside the car. So we are finally at Suda.
Hey guys.
Jabal Suda. Jabal, right? And it's all just clouds and fog. There's a whole lot of crowd. Everyone's just parked their cars and just looking at this view. It's just awesome. The weather is awesome. Right, Bilal?
Yeah, it's lovely.
They can't hear you.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Shoaib. Saad.
Yes. Good.
Saad is angry because he got hungry.
अरे भाई दिखा दे shawarma दिखा दे ये
See, I've got 4 shawarmas for myself. 1, 2.
We've got some shawarmas and we have also got a tent. We are looking for
Indian
a
aunties.
good spot to place our tent and set up a camp.
You need serious help.
So in the last clip you guys saw that we were looking for a spot to set up our tent and camp for a few hours. We have finally found it and we have set up the tent. This is the view. यहाँ से पूरी खाई है. The clouds, fog. So yeah, we decided to tell you the story, what happened with our car and with us today. So सुबह की बात है, early in the morning, just after Fajr, we left to Wadi Lajab. Now Wadi Lajab is 3 hours away from Abha. And it's just a wadi और वहाँ पे एक ऐसा पानी का pond type है जहाँ पे you can swim. छोटा सा waterfall है. हाँ, जहाँ हमारा पूरा प्लान था नहाने का, to go into the water and swim or bath, whatever. So we left from here deciding to drive 3 hours to Wadi Lajab early in the morning after Fajr. And after 20 kilometers we realized that the brake pads of our cars are completely gone, and we stopped the car immediately. We could literally see smoke coming out of our tires, so we had to stop driving. And then what did we do?
We had fruits.
We prayed and yeah, we had fruit.
We ate a few fruits. Yeah, we chilled for some time. We let the car also chill down, the temperature to go down of the tires, and then there was no option to go to Wadi Lajab. We were so excited to go to Wadi Lajab, but we had to come back and go to the rent-a-car office from where we had rented it in Khobar. We had to go to their branch in Abha airport. And we go there and that person says they don't have the same car. So they will be giving us another car, that is Elantra. That is why we have a different car. and then we decided to come back and get a hotel room because we were camping all night, and then we left to Wadi Lajab, and the day was not going really well. So we took a hotel room and then we got out, came to Suda. तो जैसे कि हमने बोला था आपको कि हमने हमारी किया सेराटो देकर Hyundai Elantra ली है बिकॉज देयर वाज सम इशू विद द ब्रेक पैड्स.
ब्रेक जल गया था उसका.
हाँ, तो फॉर आवर लक, हमारा दिन ऐसा चल रहा था कि हमारी Elantra में भी प्रॉब्लम था. व्हेन वी वर ड्राइविंग अराउंड 90 to 100 it was vibrating. So we came back again to this rent a car, and now we are changing the car again from this car back to another Elantra. तो ये दिक्कत हो गई हमारे साथ. एक दिन पूरा ये रेंट कार की गिच्ची में ही निकल गया है. तो थोड़ा चेंज ऑफ प्लान, ये दिक्कत होती है कभी विद रेंट कार्स, बट या इंशाल्लाह ऑल गुड. We just came back from Al Suda directly to this rent-a-car office because we'll be leaving back to Khobar tomorrow, and the car needs to be perfect because we'll be driving a long distance. So now we have got the final car, hopefully inshallah the final car, and there won't be any more changes. So now we're gonna go have some dinner and then go to our room and just sleep. We need a lot of sleep. We haven't been sleeping well, so before we leave for the 14-hour long journey we need some good sleep. So yeah, we'll see what we're gonna have for dinner. So we are very hungry and we have finally arrived at Little Caesars Pizza. This is a meter-long pizza. So we're gonna dive right in. Hey guys, तो जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं कि आई एम बैक इन माई रूम. एक्चुअली जो लास्ट क्लिप आपने देखी उसके बाद वी ऑलवेज सो टायर्ड, वी जस्ट वेंट बैक टू आवर होटल रूम एंड क्रैश्ड, एंड आई ऑल्सो फॉरगॉट टू चार्ज माई कैमरा. सो नेक्स्ट दिन हम लोग जल्दी निकल गए, एंड आफ्टर 12 to 13 hours ऑफ लॉन्ग ड्राइव वी हैव फाइनली रीच खोबर just some time back. Now I am finally back home. I just freshened up and now I can't wait to go to sleep. Anyways, I hope आप लोगों को ये सब अच्छा लगा. अगर आपने यहाँ तक देखी है वीडियो तो थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और अगर आप नए हैं और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अब तक तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच and I'll see you guys next time.